Success demands 8 things. Number 1, hard work. Don't believe in luck. Believe in hard work. Number 2, patience. If you are losing the patience, then you are losing the battle. Number 3, sacrifice. If you don't sacrifice for what you want, then what you want becomes the sacrifice. Number 4, consistency. Consistency is what transforms average into excellence. Number 5, discipline. Motivation gets you going, but discipline keeps you growing. Number 6, self-confidence. Confidence is not like, they will like me. Confidence is, I'll be fine.
This exemplary leadership in this award to the very distinguished Dr. Chima Anyaso.
But it will annoy enough people to make it worth the effort. Focus on your goals, not on your obstacles. When you concentrate on what truly matters,